Hi guys, my name is Dr. Chandrasekhar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SJVIT, Bangalore. We are all welcome to 4th semester student for the lab, Mechanical Measurement and the Metrology lab. Okay, you can start the next experiment number 2 in the part A, that is the measuring part. The experimental name is Calibration of Pressure Gauge. The purpose of gauges are used to the measurement purpose. It is called as pressure gauge. You have to use to measure what is the percentage of error should be occurring from the instruments. Means before conduction of the experiment, first you have to calibration of the instrument. The main purpose of calibration is you have to measure the accuracy and the precision of the instrument. The calibration means nothing but it is a comparison between the standard value and the measured value. That means suppose you have to calibrate the any machines, the main purpose of calibration you have to measure the accuracy of the instrument. Come to this pressure gauge experiment. The main aim of the experiment used to determine the percentage of error from the experiments. Before conducting the experiment, first you have to explain all the parts about the pressure gauge. Okay, this is the main units of the pressure gauge, and this is you have to lever used to measure apply the pressure of the from the lever. From this, what is the pressure is applied from the ear, you have to note down this one. The cylinder of this one it should be piston is move upwards. Suppose you have to is in downward directions, the piston is moved from the downward, means thus can be indicated in the that is the pressure gauge. Okay, and next come to this one. This is the values are measured values, indicated value and the measured value. Then you can find out the error. Then using this value you can find out the percentage of errors. Okay, next come to the start the experiments. First we have to take the put on the weights on the piston. Okay, now put the weight is from the piston is 1.5. Then you can adjust the weight of the 1.5 from the gauges. Then after the adjusting of the gauges, the piston is move upward direction. Then come to this one in the digital indicator. It is also show the 1.6. Means the value is 1.5 is there. Here 1.7 is there. Then what is the percentage of error? 1.7 minus 1.6. Then find out the percentage of error. This is 1.7 minus 1.6 divided by 1.7 into 100. You can get the percentage of values of the first trial number 1. Then after this come to the second trial. Then take the values, take the same 1.5 values from this and applied on the piston, then 2 kg. Then you can adjust the value from the pressure gauge 2 kg. Okay, after this one 2 kg, adjust the value from the pressure gauge 2 kg. Then come to the digital indicator. It should be show the 2.9. What is the value is there? 2.5. That is a 2.9, means 2.9 minus a 2.5, that is the error. What is the error is that you can measure. Then you can find out the percentage of error. 2.9 minus 2.5 divided by 2.9 into 100, you can get the percentage of value of the second trial. Same as it is, the procedure can be continued. You can apply one more weight, then means 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 6.5, 8.5, up to 9.5 is the maximum value. Then after the completion of taking all the readings, then you can calculate the percentage of error. The error formula is that is the actual value minus indicated value, that is the error. Then come to the percentage of error, that is the value actual value minus indicated value divided by actual value into 100. You can get the percentage of values. Then come to this, there are two graphs are there from this experiment. First one is you have to draw the actual value versus indicated value, and one more is actual value versus that is the percentage of errors. By the graphs are indicate the to get the percentage of what is the percentage of error from the instruments. Then conclusion of these experiments, it is that the main purpose of these calibrations you have to check the accuracy of the instruments. The main questions asking from this experiment, the Viva questions, what is the definition of the pressure? Okay, and what is the definition of calibration? What is the purpose of calibration? And what are the objectives of calibrations? These are all the main important questions asking from this pressure gauge. Thank you.